In Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clinton, or 8 miles east of Janesville, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, East Troy, Clinton, Palmyra, Darien, Richmond, Rome, LaGrange, Eagle, Hebron, Sullivan, Tiffany, Millard, Chaupier, Johnstown Center, Tibbetts and Abels Corners. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.